catalyzed at 30. Keep moving! Watch the wire! Sell it now! Sell everything!
The exothermic reaction.
America was not born powerful. Its rise happened slowly, shaped by geography, global wars, economic strategy, and systems designed to quietly multiply strength over decades, not years. While empires collapsed from invasion, famine, and debt, the United States expanded behind natural protection, allowing it to plan long-term without constantly fighting for survival. Power did not come from one leader or moment. It emerged from multiple layers working together: money, industry, military, and technology, each reinforcing the other continuously. This is not a patriotic myth or conspiracy. This is a structural explanation of how America engineered lasting global dominance. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future video. America's geographic position gave it extraordinary security, with two massive oceans acting as natural defenses that prevented invasions and shielded its economy from foreign destruction. Unlike Europe or Asia, the United States faced no neighboring superpowers capable of constant invasion, allowing uninterrupted development during its most vulnerable early years. This safety allowed America to invest money into roads, factories, and education instead of rebuilding cities destroyed by endless border wars. Vast, navigable rivers connected farms, factories, and cities, creating one of the largest and cheapest internal trade systems in human history. Fertile land across the continent ensured food security, population growth, and political stability, three conditions that historically determined whether nations survived or collapsed. Sten. Abundant natural resources like coal, oil, iron, and timber allowed industrial expansion without dangerous dependence on foreign suppliers. Geography did not automatically create power, but it provided time, safety, and scale, advantages that compound dramatically over generations. While other nations fought wars nearby, America quietly built infrastructure and economic capacity. In the late 19th century, America industrialized at unprecedented speed, transforming raw resources into factories, railroads, and massive productive capacity across the continent. Millions of immigrants supplied labor, ideas, and ambition, accelerating industrial growth faster than native populations alone could ever sustain. Railroads unified distant regions, allowing goods, people, and capital to move efficiently between farms, cities, and ports. Mass production lowered costs dramatically, enabling American products to outcompete older, fragmented industries overseas. Steel, oil, and manufacturing became the backbone that later supported military strength and global economic influence. Large corporations scaled nationally, achieving efficiency levels smaller economies could not match. Industrial wealth created jobs, tax revenue, and capital needed for long-term national strategy. By 1900, America had become one of the most powerful industrial economies on Earth. World War I drained Europe's wealth and manpower, while America supplied weapons, food, and loans from a safe distance. World War II devastated rival nations, yet the American homeland remained almost entirely untouched by bombing or invasion. American factories produced ships, planes, tanks, and ammunition at a scale unmatched by any nation in history. Wartime production permanently expanded industrial capacity and technological expertise. When the war ended, the United States controlled the majority of the world's manufacturing power. Europe and Asia depended heavily on American loans and reconstruction programs to survive. War turned America from a regional power into a global superpower in a single generation. No competitor emerged with similar economic stability or industrial strength. After World War II, the US dollar became the world's primary reserve currency for global trade and finance. International commerce increasingly relied on American banks, markets, and financial systems. Oil priced in dollars forced every nation to hold American currency. This allowed America to borrow cheaply and spend massively without immediate collapse. Financial leverage replaced territorial conquest as the main tool of global power. Wall Street became the nerve center of global finance. American economic decisions began affecting every country on Earth. Money became a silent but dominant weapon. America's power endured because its institutions were designed to function beyond individual leaders, ensuring continuity, predictability, and trust, even during political change or national crisis. The Constitution created a stable legal framework that encouraged long-term investment, allowing businesses and individuals to plan decades ahead with confidence. Independent courts protected contracts and property rights, which attracted both domestic and foreign capital into the American economic system. Capitalism rewarded innovation, efficiency, and calculated risk-taking, pushing companies to constantly improve productivity and global competitiveness. Public education systems produced skilled workers needed for factories, offices, research labs, and emerging industries across the nation. Universities and research institutions became engines of scientific progress. America consistently invested enormous resources into research and development, ensuring a continuous pipeline of technological breakthroughs across multiple industries. Military spending accelerated innovation, with new technologies later transforming civilian life, from aviation to computing and communication. The Internet itself began as a U.S. defense research project, later reshaping global commerce, media, and information access. Silicon Valley emerged as the world's most powerful technology hub, attracting talent, capital, and ideas from every continent. Global reliance on American platforms expanded U.S. influence without the need for direct political or military control. Software, data, and networks replaced land and territory as the new foundations of modern power. America built the most technologically advanced military force in history, capable of operating across land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace. A global network of military bases allowed rapid deployment of forces anywhere in the world within hours or days. Naval dominance secured international shipping lanes, protecting global trade and energy supplies critical to economic stability. Air superiority provided deterrence, ensuring potential rivals understood the cost of direct conflict. Defense spending exceeded that of most competitors combined, maintaining overwhelming strategic advantage. Military strength protected American economic interests and global influence abroad. Allies increasingly depended on American security guarantees for their own survival. Power extended far beyond America's borders without formal empire. Hollywood films projected American values, lifestyles, and narratives to audiences around the world. Music, television, and media shaped global culture, making American influence familiar and widely accepted. English became the dominant language of business, aviation, science, and technology worldwide. Global brands quietly reinforced American economic and cultural presence in everyday life. Unlike empires built on fear, American culture generated aspiration and attraction. Soft power amplified military and economic strength without direct confrontation. Millions sought access to American education, markets, and opportunities. Influence felt natural rather than imposed. Economic power funded military expansion, allowing global presence and deterrence. Military dominance protected trade routes and international commerce. Global trade strengthened demand for the U.S. dollar. Dollar dominance allowed massive investment in innovation and infrastructure. Innovation increased productivity across industries. Productivity reinforced long-term global leadership. America's power was not accidental or temporary. It was built into the structure of its systems. Geography provided safety and time to grow. War accelerated dominance at critical moments. Money, technology, and military locked power in place. Each layer reinforced the next, creating a self-sustaining cycle. This is how America became so powerful, and why that power lasted.